Looking for the best budget gaming PCs on the market? We're going to delve into a world where performance, price and design intersect. Imagine owning a machine that's not only affordable, but can also run your favorite games smoothly. Picture a device with a design that's sleek, yet robust enough to handle hours of intense gaming. Now, stop imagining, because you're in the right place. Today, we will compare 5 of the best budget gaming PCs currently available. First up, we have the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, the best budget gaming PC for most people. This machine is a powerhouse, equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and NVIDIA GeForce graphics. It's built to handle demanding games and multitask without breaking a sweat. Aside from performance, it sports a sleek and modern design. With its cool blue lighting and clear side panel, it's a PC that you'll want to show off. But don't let its good looks fool you, because it's not all about aesthetics. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is also designed with excellent cooling mechanisms, ensuring that it stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. One of the key advantages of the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is its price point. It's priced competitively, making it an excellent choice for those who want a high-performing gaming PC without burning a hole in their wallet. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i offers the best balance of price and performance. Next, we have the Acer Nitro 50, the best budget gaming PC for the money. This little gem packs a punch with its impressive features, delivering an excellent balance between cost and performance. Under the hood, you'll find a robust Intel Core i5 processor, backed by NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics, making it a powerhouse for gaming on a budget. The design is sleek and compact, with a red LED light that adds a touch of gaming aesthetics. Convenience is key with the Acer Nitro 50, as it features a range of ports for all your devices, including USB, HDMI, and an SD card reader. On the downside, the Nitro 50's storage might not be the largest on the market, but it's more than enough for most gamers, and while the cooling system isn't the quietest, it does its job effectively in keeping the system cool during intense gaming sessions. If you're on a tight budget, the Acer Nitro 50 is a great option. And now let's take a look at the HP Omen 25L, Acer Predator Orion 3000, and HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Starting with the HP Omen 25L, this gaming PC has a sleek design paired with impressive performance. It boasts a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, making it well suited for high-end gaming. But what really sets it apart is its easy upgradability. You can easily boost its performance by adding more RAM or a stronger graphics card. However, it's not all rosy. Its main drawback is its price. It's a bit steep for a budget PC, but if you're willing to spend a little extra, it's definitely worth the investment. Next up, the Acer Predator Orion 3000. This beast of a machine is not only powerful but also offers excellent value for money. It features an Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super, which together deliver a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Its small form factor is another plus, making it a great choice for those with limited space. However, it's not without its flaws. Some may find its aggressive gamer aesthetic off-putting, and it can get a little noisy under heavy load. Finally, let's discuss the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. This compact gaming PC is perfect for those who are short on space but don't want to compromise on performance. It has a stylish design that will look good on any desk, and it packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen 5 processor and Radeon RX 5500 graphics. Its small size does come with a downside though. Upgrading components can be tricky due to limited space. But if you're looking for a compact, high-performance gaming PC on a budget, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a solid choice. These 3 gaming PCs each have their own strengths, but the Acer Predator Orion 3000 stands out as the best overall budget gaming PC, while the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is the best compact budget gaming PC. So which budget gaming PC is the best for you? To recap, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a crowd favorite for most people. The Acer Nitro 50 gives you the most bang for your buck, while the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is our top pick overall. If you're tight on space, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop's compact design is your go-to. And let's not forget the reliable HP Omen 25L. Remember, the best budget gaming PC for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy gaming!